So this is going to be trip 3 of your favorite idiot with a rollback. So me and Birdie here are going to go down there and pick up another car. I don't know if it's going to be a Dodge or a Ford. I've got so many I've got to get out of there. Late night last night, we worked out there probably till 10:30, just beating ourselves to death trying to get that 57 out of the barn. Got them home safe, no problems. Just didn't go as planned. A lot of junk in the way. If you've ever been on anybody's old property that has just let it go, everybody's ransacked it. Parts are missing off cars, wheels are missing, things don't roll, thing was chained to an air compressor, stuff like that makes it tough. Not to mention we had to tear a wall down and all the roofing that was all in the way. So we fixed to get after it, get back down there, and if you'll stay tuned, you'll see what I'm going to pick next. Well, we got it out, got it loaded up. '57 Ford. All right, there it is. '57 Ford pickup, short bed, step side. Got the look. You got a little rust, and they all do. Wide block motor. Let's see if we can find it a new home. Well, me and Bird Dog got it out. We had some help from a neighbor, and they helped us a lot, really. Chainsawing, had to cut trees down. 2 nice trees. Of course, you can see that one there. That's wedged in the bumper. We're gonna leave that there. But all in all, it's on the rollback, and we're going home. All right, so I got a little trigger happy with the chainsaw earlier, and we got this truck cut out with the help of some neighbors, and I have already got it home. I'm going to show you around the truck, give you an idea of what it looks like. I hate we missed the all the excitement with the chainsaw. Truck's got some rust issues, nothing nobody's ever dealt with before. But if somebody wants a patina looking truck, you couldn't get a better one in my opinion. But you know, '57 Ford's not for everybody. inside. Still retains the gauges, even has the old Gulf Lube stickers on the doorpost. Headliner still intact. There's the old vent plate. It's gonna need a step put in it. But like I said, it is all there. Less what's been taken off of it.